Is planning a form of procrastination? So this is what we're talking about in today's YouTube. So before I get into it, please make sure you give me a follow. That would be amazing, to support my little channel. So who am I? I am Sarah, founder of The Den, and I help performing arts businesses to grow and scale their school on their terms. Let's get into it. Is planning a form of procrastination? Now, I am a huge planner. In fact, I even sell, it's now called a tracker, the Performance Business Tracker, and it's because the 6-pillar planning method goes along with this, and this tracks how you're doing with your planning, if that makes sense. So why is it then a form of procrastination? You know, I sell this, I've got this course, I've got all of this going on, but why is that procrastination? Let me give you a little scenario. So you arrive at your desk and you sit down and you just go, all right, okay, I don't actually know where to start. So let me take yesterday's to-do list and I'm just going to rewrite that out, and I'm going to go, okay, I've done this and I've done that. So you spend about an hour writing all of that out, and then you look at this long to-do list and you go, rightly so, let me pick up the priorities, and then you maybe make another list from that, and then you go, right, okay, now what if you're just taken yesterday's to-do list and gone, hell, I didn't do that and I didn't do that, now that's a problem, let me start it. You would already be an hour into that task. And what's to say, maybe that task only took you an hour. You can then take it off the to-do list. But instead, you've gone down a little rabbit hole by thinking that you needed to create yet another to-do list. Okay, so that is when planning becomes a form of procrastination. When you think you're being productive because you're getting everything out of your brain and like almost doing like a mind map over what it is that you now need to do, but actually you're just delaying what you're supposed to be doing. You know, you could be hiding from actually what the real work is. And why would we do that? Because the roots of procrastination lie in bored, uninteresting, and uninspired. So if whatever is on your to-do list, let's just say it's your finances, and you just go, I don't really want to do my finances and I'm feeling a bit like I don't know where to start on it, so let me just brain dump what's in my brain. Now, brain dumping what's in your brain is one of the methods I teach, but it works when you're really like back against the wall and you really cannot see the wood for the trees. That is the saying. So when you're really like, and it's all crazy, then blitzing it out on paper. And I mean, literally everything down to, I need to do the washing. I need to buy cat food. I need to take the washing in from the line. I need more milk, toilet paper. Everything just comes out of the brain and then you split it down. And that can help because then you can just go, right, it's all out. So-and-so can do that. So-and-so can do that. That can wait. This can do that. I just need to get on with this. That's when it helps. But if you're doing it on like a daily basis and you're just going, oh, I just sort of going to do this, that, and the other, then you are procrastinating because the drive to delay is stronger than your drive to act. Let me repeat that. Your drive to delay is stronger than your need to act. So it's easier for you to just go, I need a brain dump and sort out all my to-do lists and figure out where I'm going next. It's easier to do that. It's a stronger urge to do that because naturally as human beings, we're going to lean to, oh, yeah, I'll just do that. Versus what may be challenging or what may be a little bit of an unknown or maybe just a job that you know you need to do, but you don't actually want to do it, which leads the question, are you the best person to do that job? Maybe that is a job you need to delegate out. Just a thought there. But if you're using planning as a procrastination tool, but you actually think you're being productive, then what is happening is that your planning is causing you a delay. And that delay will stop you doing what you need to do, therefore stopping what you need to do to drive your business forward. Okay? So next time you sit down to do, I just need to just plan out what I need to do. Do you actually need to do that? Or, as Brian Tracy says, do you just need to eat the frog? Now, if you haven't come across that before, that is a book where basically he says, in the morning, you get up and you eat the frog. You don't actually literally have to eat a frog, obviously, right? Okay, but you get up and you eat the frog. The one thing, like the finances or SEO on your website or answering all those emails that have come in, right? What is it, the one thing you're like, oh, I don't want to do that? That's your frog. Eat it first, get it done, dusted and over with, and then the likelihood is you will be more productive for the rest of the day because you're not going to procrastinate over that one task. Because once that one task that you don't want to do is done, you're like, brilliant, move on. You've got a different mindset then. And sometimes it's about action. When you're sitting there just going, I can't be bothered today, you have to push yourself to take one action, one small action. And that small action will allow you to go that next step further and go, oh, okay, I've done that one. Okay, now let me just do this second action. And before you know it, you've done 15, 20 actions. But if you don't do that one, you won't do the others. All right. So is planning a form of procrastination for you? If so, do you need to take the one action? All right. So before I love you and leave you, this bad boy, the Performance Business Tracker, is now on sale. It is undated. So whenever you're watching this YouTube, you can buy it and start it. And it comes with the full 6-pillar planning method. All right, this is the method that as activity providers, because we're juggling so many balls, like, you know, you've got events going on, or you've got fates, or you've got exams, or you've got shows, and they've got the classes, or you've got the uniforms, you've got the additional income streams, all of these sorts of things, because you're juggling all of these things, okay, this reduces the juggling and overwhelm. It helps you plan in advance, which makes you less stressed and gets you more money. Less stress, but more money? Hello? Who doesn't want that, right? All right, so go grab your Performance Business Tracker and the 6-pillar planning method. And I'll speak to you on the next YouTube. Take care. Bye.